What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Edifier GM5 wireless true gaming earphones. You can use these on Android, iOS. They're IPX5 waterproof. They have 12 millimeter drivers for ENC noise cancellation for the actual mic. Claims to have 40 hours of playtime and standby time put together. These are $79, well, 80 bucks on Amazon. And so these are for gaming. So let me see if I can do this. So what's going on? Make y'all look. It's got a shiny box Edifier, Qualcomm aptX adaptive. These are all the controls, gaming. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Hopefully I'm not blinding y'all. So these are the claims. Bluetooth 5.2, gaming. You can use these single and twin mode. And so these are a gaming focused type of earbuds. So let's get this shininess. And I guess this gamer stuff got to be super shiny. So it's killing the. So I apologize if it's coming off super duper shiny. So let's take a look. There's no way to avoid that. Accessories ready. So it's kind of like that gamer-esque thing. Oh wow, okay. So these have a pouch. Oh, okay, cool. So they got this little protective cases the first time, so you get a case. So I was like, 80 bucks for some earphones. You better come with something. So it comes with this little soft touch matte case. I guess you can hook them on there. Barely covers up the USB-C. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I like that. What else you get in the box? Nothing else here. Let's get all this shiny stuff off to the side. Oh wow! So it comes with a lanyard. So I guess they're expecting you to wear a lanyard. I guess you can hook it on here. Oh, they're going all out. They're not playing. USB Type-C. So that's definitely a plus. Edifier. And let's see the main event. Oh, I'm supposed to. 20. Oh man, yeah, these are 1000% gamer. So as you can see, they got the blue LEDs going all the way around. So these are ready. These are super gamer-esque. For size comparison, I have the Impal X3. So these are more of like a steel gray. These are dark black. And then these are the Edifier ones I did in the other video, just for comparison. So yeah, so again, like I said before, I'll put it through its paces and give you my honest opinion. So yeah, it's RGB, so it's not blue, it's all the colors. So it's going off in the background, so that's pretty dope. Okay, so I guess you get that little extra bang for your buck, so to speak. So again, I'd highly appreciate if you guys do all that YouTube stuff. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll get back to y'all and give you my honest opinion. So you guys take care of each other. Peace.